Today we are going to find out if there is any difference in using salted or unsalted butter for cookies, as it is a very common question amongst bakers. In the case of butter, maybe the recipe calls for unsalted butter, but all we have is salted butter. Is it okay to use it then? And what about the other way around? Should I use salted or unsalted butter for cookies? Sometimes the recipe does not specify. What do we do then? Well, chefs tend to refer to unsalted butter as just butter. Truthfully, unsalted butter is the most common choice between the two. This is because it does not add any extra flavor. But what if you only have salted butter, and the recipe calls for unsalted butter? It is hard to create a general rule to replace regular salt with the salt present in salted butter, because different manufacturers use different ratios. Our general advice, in this case, is that you reduce 1/4 teaspoon of salt per half cup 1 stick of salted butter you use. The truth is that it should be treated as a condiment. It is there to add flavor and enhance the food you are preparing. So which one should I buy? I would advise you to only use unsalted butter. It is healthier, as fat as butter goes, because it has no salt. It has the added bonus that you can use it for any kind of baking you want. And if that is something you do often, then you will thank me for it. Remember as well that you can always add salt, but you cannot easily take it away from salted butter. This fact makes unsalted butter more versatile. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.